Slider window installation in Pompano Beach is a popular choice for homeowners seeking modern aesthetics and functionality. Our window experts specialize in providing top-notch slider windows Pompano Beach that enhance your home's appeal and efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we ensure that your new installations contribute to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Window replacement services in Pompano Beach are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window replacement services, including window frame replacement and glass replacement, to address any issues promptly. Whether you need window leak replacement or window hardware replacement, our Pompano Beach window services have you covered. Energy-efficient windows in Florida are crucial for reducing energy consumption and enhancing comfort. Pompano Beach window replacement services include a wide range of energy-efficient options designed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Trust our window replacement experts to provide solutions that meet your specific needs. Custom window solutions in Pompano Beach offer homeowners the flexibility to choose designs that match their unique style and preferences. Our Slider Windows Pompano Beach Design Consultation services help you explore various window style options, ensuring that your new windows complement your home's architecture. From window UV protection to noise reduction windows in Florida, we provide tailored solutions for every requirement. Hurricane impact windows in Pompano Beach are a must-have for protecting your home during stormy weather. Our Impact Windows Pompano Beach services ensure that your property is safeguarded against harsh elements. With our window installation warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Sliding glass doors in Pompano Beach are an excellent addition to any home, offering seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. Our sliding doors. Pompano Beach services include expert installation and maintenance to ensure long-lasting performance. Enhance your living space with our stylish and functional sliding glass doors. Residential window services in Pompano Beach cater to homeowners looking for reliable and efficient window solutions. From window sealing services to window insulation, our team provides comprehensive services to enhance your home's comfort and efficiency. Our Pompano Beach window maintenance services ensure that your windows remain in top condition year-round. Commercial window solutions in Pompano Beach are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses. Our team offers a range of services, including window cleaning services and window screen installation, to keep your commercial property looking its best. Trust our Pompano Beach window services to deliver quality and reliability for your business. Window maintenance in Pompano Beach is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Our Slider windows, Pompano Beach sealing services help prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring optimal performance. Regular maintenance, including window cleaning and hardware replacement, keeps your windows functioning smoothly and efficiently. Window sealing services in Florida are crucial for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort. Our Pompano Beach window sealing services provide effective solutions to prevent air leaks and improve insulation. With our expertise, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home environment.